أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَى.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful, by the night when it covers,
وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا تَجَلَّى.
and the day when it shines,
وَمَا خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ وَالْأُنثَى.
and by the one who created male and female.
إِنَّ سَعْيَكُمْ لَشَتَّى.
Surely the ends you strive for are diverse.
فَأَمَّا مَنْ أَعْطَى وَاتَّقَى.
As for the one who is charitable, mindful of Allah,
وَصَدَّقَ بِالْحُسْنَى.
and firmly believes in the finest reward,
فَسَنُيَسِّرُهُ لِلْيُسْرَى.
we will facilitate for them the way of ease.
وَأَمَّا مَنْ بَخِلَ وَاسْتَغْنَى.
And as for the one who is stingy, indifferent to Allah,
وَكَذَّبَ بِالْحُسْنَى.
and staunchly denies the finest reward,
فَسَنُيَسِّرُهُ لِلْعُسْرَى.
we will facilitate for them the path of hardship.
وَمَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُ مَالُهُ إِذَا تَرَدَّى.
And their wealth will be of no benefit to them when they tumble into hell.
إِنَّ عَلَيْنَا لَلْهُدَى.
It is certainly upon us alone to show the way to guidance.
وَإِنَّ لَنَا لَلْآخِرَةَ وَالْأُولَى.
And surely to us alone belong this life and the next.
فَأَنذَرْتُكُمْ نَارًا تَلَظَّى.
And so I have warned you of a raging fire,
لَا يَصْلَاهَا إِلَّا الْأَشْقَى.
in which none will burn except the most wretched,
الَّذِي كَذَّبَ وَتَوَلَّى.
who deny and turn away.
وَسَيُجَنَّبُهَا الْأَتْقَى.
But the righteous will be spared from it,
الَّذِي يُؤْتِي مَالَهُ يَتَزَكَّى.
who donate some of their wealth only to purify themselves,
وَمَا لِأَحَدٍ عِندَهُ مِن نِّعْمَةٍ تُجْزَى.
not in return for someone's favors,
إِلَّا ابْتِغَاءَ وَجْهِ رَبِّهِ الْأَعْلَى.
but seeking the pleasure of their Lord, the Most High.
وَلَسَوْفَ يَرْضَى.
They will certainly be pleased.